So here I have the Miana Nighty-night series, and this series has 6 designs and a secret. I really want the secret from this series. It's so cute. It's like pastel rainbow. It's adorable. Otherwise, I would really like the purple, the green, or the pink. Let's have a look. Maybe this will be the pink or the secret. Although I do like green and purple too. I just really like pastel colors. So cute. Okay. Also love how scented these ones are. Oh, the purple one. No, the eyes don't move on these ones. Oh, she smells really nice. Put her little hands in the right spots. I think these guys are so cute. Oh, they're so nice. And I like the little hooks that they have and that they kind of sit. Most of the like pendant plush don't sit. They like have to be hung. Oh, that one is so cute. The color is really pretty. As you can tell, I quite like the purple ones. This little Lucky Dana is really cute in that color. So cute. Love these little ones, and they smell so nice. So she is the cover one. And I think, yeah, we have it here. They have these really cute, really big cards, which are nice.